Alright, we're going to be changing out our interior lights, our overhead door lights, and the rear one too. You first want to get your tools. You need probably a flathead screwdriver or a pick, and I just got some pliers with electrical tape on them to pull the bulbs out easier. So in each of these there's a little slot right here. You're going to want to put your thing in here, your screwdriver, and just pop it out until you can grab it. And then the whole thing should pop out and slide out just like that. And same with the other one. You're just gonna want to pop it out so you can grab it. And it'll fall out right like that. So now we have the cover off. You're gonna want to take your pliers. I took the tape off because I tried it a couple times and it really doesn't make a difference. It's gonna take a while for you to get it out, but just be patient. Try to get some leverage on it and try to get it out. There we go. Gonna take your other one out. There we go, there's both. Okay, so now the back is gonna be pretty similar. Same thing with the little opening I was talking about in the front ones. There's a little opening right in here. You're gonna want to pop that out of both sides, and this whole thing is gonna come out, as well as this metal piece that's gonna drop down too, which is gonna make it way easier than the front was. So this is gonna pop out. Then you're gonna pull your bulbs out. I'll use your pliers again. Be careful, like I said, you don't want them to break. These ones come out pretty easy. Same thing with the other one. Perfect. So now you want to take your new bulbs. These are just cheap. I don't know how these are gonna work. They're just cheap LED bulbs I found on Amazon for like $7. You're gonna take those. You're gonna put them in the same way that the other ones came out. Should just pop in really easily. Same with the other one. Pop in there. Now let's see if we can get them to turn on. That one's on. This one needs a little persuasion, I think. Maybe it's in the wrong spot. There we go. Just had to move a little bit. Already such a noticeable difference. And so then you're gonna take your plates, just slide it in the notch. There's a notch in the back there. You're gonna slide it in and just pop it in there. And it should work like it does before. Same with the other one. Slide it in and pop it back in place. There's your front ones. Now we're gonna do the back. Now you're just gonna pop your new ones in. Just like that. There's a little force needed. Okay. And we're gonna turn them on and see if they work. And beautiful, they work. So my metal piece fell out. Really simple, it just goes back in here. Just split the little gap there. This pops back in. See if you can hold it. You might have to hold it a little bit while you grab the other piece. There we go, it should stay there like that. And then you're gonna put these prongs back in here. Just like this, sorry. And it is going to just fold back up like it did before. Pop them all in. There you go. You're done. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it probably wasn't the most interesting video in the world, but I have more stuff coming. Just be patient, stay tuned, getting some stuff in order, and I will have plenty of videos after this. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe, turn that notification bell on. You'll get notifications when I post new videos, because there's going to be a couple coming. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.